Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Okay, firstly, if you guys hear any noise in the background, then please ignore it. That's because my AC is on and I can't switch it off because it is too hot in Delhi. And secondly, I won't be addressing anything negative in this video related to whatever is happening around us, around the globe. And I know it is very stressful, very heartbreaking, and we all need positivity and happiness in our lives now. I would just like to refer one thing, that please be safe, follow all the precautions, stay at home and be happy, be strong and be positive. Now finally moving forward to this video, as you guys have already read by the title, today's video is going to be all about our hair. And I've been seeing these cute trendy hairstyles on my explore page. It has been a while now, so I have filtered few hairstyles from Pinterest which I'm going to be trying. So this is the first hairstyle which I'm going to try. It is called bubble tail or bubble braids. It is trending a lot nowadays, so I wanted to try it. So now I've got a good chance to try it and show you all. So yeah. So this hairstyle needs a lot of hair ties. So I'm going to use these orange ones. And before that I need to remove these silver and TikTok clips. So yeah, firstly I'll remove them. Okay, I have removed them, and please ignore the halat of my hair right now. I look very funny. And so in this hairstyle we have to start with middle parting our hair. Now let's start with this hairstyle. So I'm going to pull out one hair tie and I'm going to take this section of my hair. I hope it turns out very nice. So here is the tie. Tie it. So this is how it looks. Now I am taking another hair tie and gonna tie it below this. So this is how it looks, and I think I need to pull it like this so that it looks like a bubble, right? Somewhat like this. I think it is looking cute. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think I have left a lot of space, so I need to open it and tie it thoda sa upar. Oh my god, hair tie is so painful. Okay, so this hair tie has already given me a lot of hair fall. Anyways, I'm gonna tie it thoda sa upar. It looks very cute. So I'm gonna keep doing this at least I think 3 or 4 times more, and then I'll see you guys. This is how it looks. It looks super cute, and I have already fell in love with this hairstyle. And now I'm going to complete it on the other side of my hair. And one tip I would like to give you all, if you try this hairstyle, then please leave the equal spaces on both the side so that it looks very symmetrical and not messy. And secondly, I do love this hairstyle, but it do looks very like kiddish. So next time if I make this hairstyle, what I'll do is I'm gonna do side parting and make this hairstyle on one side instead of like both the sides. And yes, I think this hairstyle do looks very cute and very cool. So yeah. So the next hairstyle which I'm going to be doing is this one, and this is called bubble braids. So let's do this. So even this hairstyle needs a middle parting, which I have already done. And again I have to repeat that first step. I need to tie this section of my hair. So I have made it. Now what you have to do is you have to take small sections from the front and from the back as well, and then keep tying it and adding it with this hair strand. And even I am a little bit confused because I am not seeing any tutorial. So now let's see how it goes. And this looks super cute. I'm going to repeat this on the other side and then I'll see you guys. Okay, so it's done. It looks super cute and I'm already obsessed with this hairstyle. But now what I'll do is I'm going to continue this bubble braids till the end. I want to see how it will look then. Oh my god, this looks super cute. I haven't tried anything like this before, and definitely I'm gonna wear this hairstyle outside as well. And this looks super cute. Which I'm going to be doing is this one. So this hairstyle is pretty simple and I have done this before, and even this hairstyle is very popular and trendy these days. So yeah, let's do that. How it looks. This hairstyle seems to me very pretty and like very cool and cute, and yeah, that's what I had to say. The hairstyle and I'm already feeling like super tired, but the last hairstyle which I'm going to be doing is this one. So this hairstyle is pretty simple, so yeah, let's do it. Half done, and I need to curl the ends of these two strands. guys can see it, I have given it a very wavy type of a curl and it looks super cute. This looks very pretty, and this is one of my favorite hairstyles from all the hairstyles I just did, and it looks super cute and pretty and so girlish, and I'm going to definitely wear this hairstyle more often. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it, and if you guys did, then don't forget to like this video, hit the bell icon, comment below, share this video, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. And now I'll see you guys next time with my next video. Bye.